Hello, exercise testing students. This is Robert Lewis, your TA. Today we will be going over the Graded Exercise Testing Lab, the GXT. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the GXT lab instruction sheet, which was provided to you earlier in an email. Okay, I don't want you to get overwhelmed. It's a bit chaotic how this is set up, so we're going to go through it not necessarily in order, but we're going to start with the things that you need most and the things that are a little bit more complex, and then we'll go down from there. So what I want you to do is to scroll all the way down to, let's see, nope. Alright, to page 9, alright. We're going to be looking over determination of anaerobic threshold. Okay, several things that you need to do here. There are a couple methods and a couple of charts that you need to create, or relationships that you're going to need to create in order to complete this, and we'll make it nice and easy for you. Also, you should have open your Excel spreadsheet that was provided to you guys again in an email. And if you do not have this Excel spreadsheet, it's fairly easy to make. We'll kind of go through a little bit of it, but you should have that on hand. It'll make things a lot easier and save quite a bit of time. Alright, first thing we're going to go over is method 1. We're going to use the regression equation to find the anaerobic threshold. Okay, that's what this this little video is going to be covering, anaerobic threshold. Okay, so first thing we're going to do in order to use method 1 is we're going to use the regression equations, and it tells us to use the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, there are two regression equations, one for men and one for women. Okay, those conveniently are already contained in the spreadsheet, so all you have to do is enter in certain data to get that out. So let's go ahead and open that up. Alright, we've got the Excel spreadsheet here. Now on the bottom there are several tabs, and the tabs are first cardiac measures. I don't believe you guys can see that. Let me minimize this a little bit. Let's see. Nope, it's not working. Well, anyway, take my word for it. First one is cardiac measures. Second is TM, AT, RCP graphs. The third one is AT equation, and that's the one that we're going to want to go to right now. So the AT, or anaerobic threshold equation. So go ahead and click on that, and you're going to get something that looks like this. Okay. It's actually very simple. You're going to simply enter the subject's initials in, whoever you want to use, say JS. Okay. Enter the person's age. And actually, let's go ahead and do mine. RL. Enter age, 28. Height, 76 inches. Alright, whoops, I wish it's actually not 76, it's 67. 67. Let's press enter, and that's already going to convert my height to centimeters, and boom, there we have it. There's my AT predicted with the regression equation. So let's go back to the sheet here, and we have completed method 1 for the regression equation for finding AT. Okay, now let's scroll down, and on page 10 you have table 4. Table 4 has AT regression equation and then AT dual criteria using graphs. We have completed the AT using the regression equation. So let's go back and look at what it was. Looks like it was 1.61. So we're going to go into the graph, enter 1.61, and obviously put my name in there, RL. Okay, you're going to do that for each of the subjects that you're going to have, male and female. And we will continue on the next video as to how to go about, let's see, using method 2, which is quite a bit more complex. So we'll see you during the next video.